Hello, Assalamualaikum. So this is the makeup look for today. If you want to know, just keep on watching. We're going to start with eyes first. So ambil colour Musk daripada Huda Beauty Dusk palette ni. So we just blend it on our crease. So Lisa pakai blending brush yang gebu-gebu sikit dia punya kepala dia tu, and you just concentrate on the crease and blend ke atas sikit. So this will be our transition colour and bring the same colour juga dekat kita punya lower lash line. For our base, untuk warna kita, saya akan ambil this Inglot Gel Liner. This is a super smooth liner. Okay, this patutlah di best selling. So you just apply all over your eyelid macam tu. Basically dekat area yang kita kita nak letak colour tu, and layerkan dengan black eyeshadow. So saya pakai Makeupgeek Corrupt. So apa yang black eyeshadow ni buat, dia akan memudahkan lagi blending of the liner tadi tu. So you just ambil a dense, saya pakai a dense blending brush untuk blendkan the edges of the liner tu supaya dia macam transition tune je dengan colour tadi tu. So you ambil balik colour mask with a same blending brush and you blendkan between your transition area tu dengan you punya colour hitam tu. And now kita repeat the same process dekat lower lash line, tapi you just concentrate on the outer corner sampai like 1/3 of the outer side of your eyes tu. And then kita dah apply gel liner, you blend out dengan black eyeshadow. And then kita ambil colour mask daripada Huda Beauty tu untuk blend out the edges. So kalau sini you messy sikit pun tak apa, because we will wipe off yang excess dekat bawah mata tu. Okay, now I'm taking the star of the show, which is colour Space Out daripada Fenty Beauty Galaxy Palette. Kalau untuk warna-warna macam ni, if you layer on top of a black colour, base colour, dia akan lagi pop lagi. So, and then the best way is to apply pakai you punya jari. Untuk yang bahagian bawah, kita pakai jari clinking. Macam tu. So, it's going to look very messy right now. And then you just wipe it off dengan wet tissue, and you boleh juga adjust you punya ketebalan lower lash tu, berapa tebal you nak buat you punya eyeshadow. Okay, after that, kita curlkan kita punya lashes. And apply your favorite mascara. So Lisa punya Heroine Long and Curl or Superwaterproof mascara. So apply mascara on your top lashes and juga apply on your lower lash line. Lower lashes. Okay, now let's move to our face. So pakai this Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. So it's a gel type moisturizer. Tapi dia more to, dia akan hydrate tapi tak rasa melekit, macam tu. It's super hydrating. Lepas tu on the open pores areas akan pakai this Tarte Clean-slate, and caranya adalah Lisa ambil jari and just press the product into the pores. So kita punya Lisa punya area is more on the side of my cheeks dengan hidung. Okay, for foundation, saya pakai this natural Longwear foundation in code Punjab. Okay, foundation ni you kena prep your skin really good. Make sure your skin betul-betul hydrated, and pakai sikit sebab dia adalah full coverage. You see, Lisa letak satu dot tapi dia boleh like cover half of the face already. And finishing dia, you boleh nampak dia macam like more macam natural finish. Okay, first concealer saya akan pakai this Makeup Forever in code 31. Basically just untuk macam like correctkan kita punya darkness. Just letak dekat bahagian yang Lisa ada macam dark sikit, and kita blend out. So this one saya pakai a smaller blending brush sebab saya nak macam targetkan sikit dekat tengah-tengah, dekat hidung tu, celah mata tu, selalu kita miss. So make sure you tu jangan lupa untuk blend out dekat situ, and you see how it cancel out the darkness under on my under eyes. Second one is pakai NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in code Madeleine. So this one basically just nak bagi like macam definition and brightness to the face structure. So Lisa letak dekat tempat-tempat yang saya nak highlight. Itu just untuk bagi like kita punya contour lebih pop. Okay, now kita blend out kita punya highlight tadi tu. Okay, for the day yang saya tak nak contour lebih-lebih, saya pakai this Hourglass Illumi Trio. It gives you that natural colour je untuk you punya shadow. So So just blend on your cheekbones, and also kita guna untuk sculpt the nose. Okay, just put on the side of your nose, and Lisa suka blend balik nanti pakai Lisa punya concealer brush, and just dab 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 so the nose contour tu nampak tak harsh. Okay, now kita ambil from the same palette the blusher. Blusher dia macam like a peachy tone sikit blusher. So just sikit-sikit je sebab the eyes already intense, so kita punya blusher biar macam tone down sikit. And Lisa akan set everything pakai my favourite Kat Von D Lock It setting powder. Just letak dekat bawah mata and spread the powder tu dekat all over your face, so you tak pakai banyak sangat powder, and spray untuk meltkan the powder to the skin. This Pixie punya spray ni kan, it really good untuk control your oil. And now kita move to eyebrow. This is my new discovery. Diorang kata NYX ni macam ala-ala Anastasia, so I'm trying it out, and Lisa pakai colour Espresso. For lips, Lisa start dengan Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner. So apa yang Lisa buat, just fill in the lips dengan the lip pencil, and Lisa ambil Maybelline Smitten lipstick and just dab it on top of the lip liner tadi. To add glossiness, saya pakai basic Blair from Dark Cosmetic. This is one of my favourite lipstick kalau Lisa pakai pink, and Lisa tak suka dia terlalu pink. Lepas tu Lisa ambil this 1993 pada Urban Decay untuk macam like balance out kan, neutral kan sikit colour tadi tu, bagi ada dimension. Okay, highlight Lisa pakai Pixie by Petra in Glossimer Duo Delicate Dew. So dia punya finishing is more like macam basah-basah gitu. So just sikit-sikit je sebab I don't like my face to be too highlighty. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you next time. Bye bye.